Hey guys, so still behind the scenes, this is finally D-Day. We are on our way to Regal Theaters for the screening premiere red carpet event of Reflective. To Those Souls' first movie, guy. What you over there tapping? Like what?
Like mama souls.
What's up, y'all?
That's all you hear.
We almost past little Bangladesh. Little Bangladesh. She thought I was making some shit up.
I did, you know.
Little Luther on the radio. Well, I ain't even mean to make Floyd come out like that. Little Luther. It is Little Luther. That's not Big Luther. That's the Little Luther
That's
album. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's funny.
I can't find my lip.
You can't what?
I can't find my lip.
Okay, it's time to go. This is with the premiere screening, guys. Reflective. It's Sunday, the 18th, right? 18th, yeah. That's Frank. Y'all know Sheila. That's Dan. There's Diane.
Yeah, that's my friend Diane.
That's Sean, y'all. That's Grace. Grace turned away. She don't like the camera. She turned from the camera.
Super excited. I can't wait.
Y'all, we're excited. We're about to walk the red carpet and take some photos, answer a couple questions. We're going to go get some popcorn and watch our movie. Now, how cool is that?
Gila Production Company, rocking the house. We need George in here. George is the main. George, you gotta be in here, man. Come on now. George, just stop being the VP and get your ass in here.
We in the money, baby. Just do whatever.
There we go.
Oh yeah, I got
Some seats. We're gonna go inside and get a seat, y'all, so we can see what we did. Look what we did!
God needed 6 days to create this world. Bruh.
First of all, the first step was we had this awesome team right here. Jesus, y'all stand up and shout real quick. Awesome team. My name is George Tyler Strawder, and we're Gila Production Company, and I'm a film student at the Los Angeles Film School in Hollywood. And this was my very first 48 hour and my very first film, actually. And we did Reflective. We just finished the screening, the premiere red carpet screening of our new film, Reflective. Gila Production Company, guys. Everybody say what's up? What's up? Listen, we did it, and we were nervous, you know, because we're sensitive about our shit, right? But people enjoyed it. It was reactions, crowd reactions, it was laughter, it was applause, and everybody came up and told everybody did a wonderful job and they enjoyed the film, guys. How dope is that? Anybody got anything y'all want to say? Reflective!
I just gotta go get my parking pass out of that thing, and then I'm gonna catch you guys over here.
Hey, baby.
meet you there.
Hey.
How you feel?
It feels good.
It feels good. Yeah. It feels good.
We did it, y'all. We did it, y'all. It's out there. People saw it, they liked it, they loved it. And
They're
y'all
voting
look
on it
out-
now?
They're voting now, and y'all look out for part 2.
Coming this Halloween. I'm just George.
And I'm Sheila Stitch.
And together, we're Two Dope Souls. We're gonna go eat, y'all. We'll see y'all later.
Hey, what you do, girl? What you do? I'm an actress. So listen, we got us a whole team, y'all.
We made a movie!
That boy is good.
I already know.